We've finally escaped the chaos of North India, and now we're at the Palmeira resort in Dabolim. It's quiet, warm, calm, and only a few minutes from the airport. Exactly what we needed after Jaipur.
Your hand up if you want to go back to South Goa by week.
It's much warmer than Jaipur, isn't it, Paul?
Thank you.
I have no idea where we're staying. It's a surprise from Mummy. This is where Daddy can make up in his good books or not. Thank you. Well, so far it looks 100 times better than the one Mummy booked. If we die, at least it's on film. Oh, I don't know. Does it have a bath? Sleep first. Wow, it looks very pretty with all these lights. Wow, I know how to get the...
This is for you.
Oh, thank you.
It is for you. Oh, that's nice.
That's very kind.
Oh, well, there you go.
Thanks, Daddy. What's this for?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
Finally, we found a place where we could truly rest with warm and welcoming hospitality.
Right, shoes off.
Oh, heck. This is where me and Mum are sleeping. Me and Mum sleeps here. Oh.
What do you think? Yeah. It's cool, isn't it? Too shabby. Didn't you get lucky? You're very lucky.
We've got a balcony. And we've got a shower.
Right, also, Hunter, there's people downstairs, okay?
We've got a shower and a
Apartment is okay. It's okay. Yeah, good. We could stay here for a long time, actually. It's got a little fridge.
Last night we got to our hotel really early and we just jumped in bed. Yeah, I bet we'll be able to see the monkeys in the morning. Ouch. Let's have a look up this one. Here it is. Oh my gosh! There's a pool! We dive from here. Wow, this is great.
I want to go in the pool.
Oh my gosh, it's so different to Jaipur.
I can finally hear myself, not the beeping.
So we're going to get breakfast now. There's swings!
It's a small, intimate hotel with just 14 rooms, and it even has its own restaurant and bar.
Chicken sausages, toast, boiled eggs, cornflakes, more fish. Real fish, not edible fish.
Do you want a boiled egg?
Not really. Yeah. No. Okay. I know what I want. The thing is though, we don't have it.
Bottles of water.
Nutella. We need some Nutella.
That's a very English thing, English and American thing. A bottle of water? 2 bottles of water.
Stop sandwiching me water.
Sorry. Okay. I think that's it. And then get some butter.
So,
Some pineapple, fresh pineapple.
I like breakfast. I'm gonna order Nutella. And then I'm gonna make breakfast a lot better.
So here we are having breakfast at our new hotel that Daddy picked. And what do you both want for breakfast?
Nutella.
That's not possible because there's an Indian breakfast.
But Mummy, I asked, and if he brings it out, I get it back.
Well, I don't think they're going to have any Nutella. I think you'll be very lucky to find that here.
Yeah.
But you've got some toast. We can always buy some Nutella and blink it.
Yeah.
The manager actually went and grabbed some Nutella for them. Absolute hero.
Yeah.
And I'm not buying it. So we're gonna go say to the guy, because he said to the manager, some Nutella. I think we should not be in here, but I'm good. Are you the manager? Yeah, are you the manager? I just gotta find him first. Where he is.
Oh, he's there.
Thank you for the Nutella.
My pleasure, sir.
Yeah.
Anything else I can get for you?
No, thank you.
Sure? But
Yeah.
you didn't eat that Nutella.
Yeah,
You didn't eat that Nutella.
I did.
No,
We
you
used
didn't.
it. Is it on my face?
Okay.
But it's sorted now. We have no fire.
Thank you.
Thanks. Wow, this is really nice. It's got a really pretty garden. Nice pathway. It's tropical. It's got a security guy, I think.
Yes, they even had security at the front. Not that it was needed. And before we left, we grabbed a takeaway from a 5-star rated restaurant.
What? That's a bit random.
Weird. Look how nicely this is packaged.
Look, it's got an egg in the middle.
Cheers.
Cheers. Isn't it nice to have a couple of cold beers in the fridge? Isn't it? Who needs to go out for a fancy dinner?
Cheers.
Anyway, cheers. It feels so much safer here, doesn't it?
Whoa.
That's interesting. What's that?
Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe for more of our travel adventures.